After 5 years of making videos on YouTube, I have finally decided what kind of video I'm gonna be making for you guys. I try to concentrate on one subject, niche down, because apparently that works on YouTube. So I've been doing videos about restoration for quite a long period of time. Then I tried woodworking videos. Then I tried, recently I tried die-cast car modifications and restorations. However, it's not gonna work on the long run for me, because I like to do everything. I like to make things out of wood, metal, plastic, anything. That being said, from now on the video on this channel gonna be about everything and anything workshop related, whether it's woodworking, whether it's metalworking, whether it's making a project from recycling plastic, or it might be completely different thing, because I might be interested in something else later on down the line. I don't know. So therefore this channel from now on, it's gonna be about DIY, making things and workshop related subjects. I just recently purchased a metal lathe, so there's gonna be some project about metal lathe. I'm not an expert in any of them subjects, but I just like to make something useful, sometimes make something not useful but looking nice. Sometimes I'm just making something because I want to learn new skill. I'm just gonna have fun on YouTube. I'm not gonna put much pressure on myself. We're just gonna go and see where it takes us. If you like the idea of just seeing videos about anything and everything workshop related, tinkering in the workshop, go ahead and subscribe. If you already subscribed and you don't like what I'm saying now, feel free to unsubscribe. I'm not gonna be chasing likes, I'm not gonna be chasing subscriptions. I'm just gonna be having fun. I'm just gonna be enjoying myself in the workshop, and I'm gonna bring you along. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, and that's it. So that's the plan for the channel. So while we're doing update of the channel, I'll just show you 2 small workshops I have and I make project in. So first space I'm making project in is this wooden shed I built. There's a video on the channel as well, link in the description if you want to see. So I'm gonna call it a tinkering shed, I don't know. So I'm just gonna grab the phone and show you around. It's very tiny, but we still have few tools here. So I'll grab the phone and I'm gonna spin you around and see what we've got around. This is the shed outside. Let's go inside and show you what we've got in here. So first thing you see here is this cabinet. I've been using this for painting die-cast cars. We can turn the light on here. Let me just get the power on for the workshop. So that's how we power the workshop, and light off, on. That's our painting booth. We have a fan here which is still not complete. I wanted to put like a panel at the back, but I never get a chance to do it. This is the motor for the extractor. Below the painting booth we have them drawers. I made this. There's a video on the channel how I made them handles as well, so I have all sorts of stuff here. They're quite useful drawers. Some of them are for my painting stuff. So each drawer is dedicated for a specific thing. This is my drawer of cables, and the last one more cables. Going along here, this is just a few shelves with box of hammers, this angle grinder there. What else we have here? we're just storing some stuff here at the moment. It's quite a mess. We have a few organizers there. There are a few things for my diecast restoration projects, a few clamps, a shelf with some parts. We have jars with the hardware here as well. Over there in the corner we have a drill. We're probably gonna move it to our woodworking shop because don't get much use in here in the corner. Behind the drill we have another shelf with some more hardware, tapes and paint. Going along here to main workbench we have a cutting mat where we do all our projects. Recently I've been doing this car restorations. However, we have like a quite few tools over here on the wall, on the magnets. We have pliers, another organizer, small parts organizer, another shelf, thermometer, and we have about 8 degrees in the workshop now. So yeah, more shelving here. That's another small part organizer that I made. There's a video for this project on this channel. And going along here on this we have a workbench here as well, with some more shelves with the wrench handles. So over here I'm gonna move all of this, and this our new lathe that's coming in 2 days time gonna be living in here. Above the workbench here we have this that was pretty cool project. I really enjoyed it. Took me quite a long time, but yeah, there's another video about this project as well. This is small part organizer, and I like the idea. I just glue the object from the drawer or from the shelf, and you just see straight away what's inside. So let's say this screws. This one should have batteries, and you have batteries. Yeah, that's my system of organization. Over here more just more parts, more random things. Over here another shelf. Here we have a NVR with a screen, because we have a bird box outside with a camera inside. I wanted to film birds how they make a nest, but they started making nest in there. However, they never finished and never laid eggs. I'll just show you. I'll show you right now. This is the bird box. Hopefully this year we will be having new birds nesting there, and I'll show you this. It's not connected at the moment, but hopefully yeah, we're gonna get them there, and that's gonna be another thing. We're gonna be looking after little birds. This vise, I think that's gonna be another project, first project after this video. I'm just gonna want to take this rust off a little bit, put it on a board so I can clamp it to the workbench and it don't move. And also I would like to drill a hole here and put a thumb screw so I can lock the handle so it don't go down like this. I just want to lock it in place in a center position, in the middle position. So it's going to be another project. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Over here, like I said, we have some more tools. That's a wood turning chisel, because we have wood turning lathe in the we have wood turning lathe in a woodworking garage, woodworking place. So I'm gonna take you now over there, show you what we've got in our woodworking workshop. So there you go. It's a mess at the moment. Look at this. That's a mess. However, I can just show what we got. So I call this woodworking workshop. So obviously we have a table saw, cast iron table saw at the moment. It's used as a dumping ground basically. Workbench goes along this wall all the way from the start to the end. So as you can see, we have grinder, we have some bits and bobs, screwdrivers, clamps, hammers, other small tools. Down here we have shelf with some power tools, sanders, routers, silk row saws, and here at the end of the workbench we have a resin 3D printer with a curing station and washing station. In this box there is a laser engraver. Still that needs setting up. I need to put the fan extractor to get the fumes out of the while we cutting the wood. So there you go, you can see, it's a mess. But yeah, there you go. I'll take the light off. You can't really see, but there's a longer 40 watts laser engraver. I've done a few projects on the channel using this machine, so there are gonna be links there. And this is the biggest tool in the workshop. This is a CNC router. It's 1 meter by 1.5 meter long. This is machine from Vulcan 3D. It's Ultimate B on the ball screw and linear rails, so quite rigid machine. We've done loads of projects here. That's a shelf with all my engraving project. Not a shelf, sorry, cabinet. Yeah, cabinet, let's call it cabinet, with all my finishes and paints in woodworking shop. Down here we have a planer and bandsaw. Over there is a what do you call it? It's a air filter. Down here dust extractor, come back, and behind it there's a 10-ton press. So hopefully gonna get to use this for some project. More storage over there. Is height, there is height. This tool is a thicknesser, it's a thicknesser, yeah. DeWalt thicknesser. We have air compressor there with the extractor, another extractor that connects to thicknesser. Over there we have a wood turning lathe and control for the CNC. So yeah, like you see guys, we have loads of tools and we have a lot of opportunity to make cool projects. So hopefully we're gonna get them out from the storage, from the shelves, wherever they're hiding, and we're gonna start making project together. And like I said, we're gonna change the format of our channel. We're gonna be making videos about anything and everything. Okay guys, so that's everything I wanted to tell you in this update, this vlog, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, like I said, if you want to follow me, see what we're gonna be making in the workshops, just subscribe, let me know what you want to see, what kind of project you want to see. Just leave me a comment and we'll see. We're just gonna have fun in the workshop. That's what's all about. If you don't like it, if you like the previous content, and you don't want to stay here, that's fine. You can unsubscribe and I'm not gonna be upset. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Like I said, next one probably gonna be this vise. I'm gonna try to get it up and running, looking a little bit better. So yeah, wait for that video, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy what we're doing in this workshop and on this channel. So thank you guys, and I'll see you later.